Welcome to the PrimeAlux installation guide for the U-channel sloped fence system. First, adjust your saw to the required cutting angle. For this installation, we're using a 35-degree reference angle. Cut both ends of the rail at 35 degrees so it matches the slope. Then cut the rail bracket at the same angle to ensure proper alignment. Next, measure the internal spacing inside the rail and transfer that exact measurement onto the bracket. Mark the cutting point clearly, then trim the bracket accordingly. Once cut, insert the bracket into the rail and align it properly. Drill pilot holes and secure it with screws from both the top and bottom sides of the rail to ensure a strong and stable connection. Now you're ready to begin the installation. Insert the bottom spacers into the grooves of both posts. After that, slide the U-profiles into the same post grooves, making sure they sit evenly and securely. Then insert the mini rail brackets into both U-profiles to prepare for holding the slats in place. Move to the opposite side of the fence and drill through the U-profile to fasten the brackets securely. Next, insert the bottom sloped rail into the outer grooves of the U-profiles and make sure it is fully seated. Now begin sliding in the slats. Insert the upper sloped rail between the U-profile grooves. After that, install the top spacers to close any visible gaps and create a clean finish. Then attach the post covers onto the U-profiles and into the post grooves to conceal all screws and hardware. Finish by installing the post caps onto both posts, and finally insert the U-profile covers into both profiles. And that's it! The USlope channel sloped fence system is fully installed and ready.